Merhaba arkadaşlar. Hey guys, it's me Breezy Kwan. I am back and I know it's been a long time. Well, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Kwan. I do study abroad vlogs, travel vlogs, and scholarship vlogs and many more. If you guys are interested in this journey, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. So this video is going to be about how I write my statement of purpose that makes me get this scholarship. Well, first of all, what is statement of purpose or letter of intent? The statement of purpose or SOP means an essay that consists information about yourself, your goal, why you're applying for this faculty, why you choose this country for studying, etc. It is like an introducing letter that will get the opportunity for the admission committee to get to know more about you. It is the most important document above all. Having a strong statement of purpose drastically increases your chances into getting to your dream university. The content in the statement of purpose should include your motivation, why you want to study in this course, why this course is suitable for you, and you can add your past experience that relevant to the course that you have chosen. It should include your future plan. What are you going to do after you graduate from this university? You should show the committee that you are very committed to it. So, how to write a statement of purpose? First of all, I recommend you not to write more than one page. And for a student who wants to apply for a Turkey bursary scholarship, it might be less than one page. Because usually they will give you a box with number word counts. So if you type more than the word count, it will not be in the box. So it's important to keep it very concise and confined and very clear of what you are trying to express. Statements of purpose, it can be 3 to 4 paragraphs depending on the content that you want to put in. So I will teach you of how to write statement of purpose with 5 paragraphs. So start with paragraph number 1. Paragraph number 1, you can describe your career goal. What do you want to be in the future and why you feel inspired, the inspiration. For example, if you want to be an engineer, you can talk about your inspiration at the very beginning. Something that come from your childhood, for example. And that will become your reason of why you want to apply for this specific course, and you are passionate and willing to be able to achieve your career goal. In the second paragraph, you can talk about your past experience, something that you have participated in your school year, or some project that you have created that relevant to the course that you have chosen. And in the third paragraph, you should mention why do you want to study in this country, why do you choose Turkey to study this course, and why you choose this specific university. You should mention of knowledge that you wish to gain from this specific university. For example, in my statement of purpose, I was talking about diplomatic because I wanted to study how to be a diplomat, international relations, and how is it relevant to study in Turkey. Why is it beneficial? In the fourth paragraph, you can write about how you can contribute to your society after graduate and why should they accept you, why should you be accepted for this university, for this scholarship. And the last one, the fifth paragraph, you can say about your personality and your characteristic and how your characteristic relevant to the course that you study, and you can show how committed you are to this scholarship. And then we'll jump into the last part, which is the conclusion. It can be a brief and beautiful ending, not too long. So now we finished with the paragraph, and I will give you some tips and tricks of how to improve your statement of purpose and how to make it stand out. So the first one is you shouldn't write more than one page. One page is enough. They don't have time to read the statement of purpose that very long, 3 pages, 4 pages that consists of nothing. They rather want to read statement of purpose like 1 page consists of everything, and they know that you are the one. Tips number 2. It is not just the information that you have written in that paper, but it's also about your writing skills. So you have to make sure that every single word that you have written is correctly spelled. You will not misspelling in this important essay. It's very stupid mistake to make because they will give you a lot of time. You will have a lot of time to prepare. What you have to do is you have to check it over and over again until sure that there's no misspelling and the grammar is correctly written. Everything has to be correct, no misspelling. Spelling accuracy and grammar accuracy is very important. Okay guys, so I just moved my position because the light was gone. So tip number 3, make your statement clear. What are you trying to express? Your career goal, your future plan, what do you want to achieve should be mentioned very clearly. For example, you wanted to be an attorney and you write a statement of purpose to get into law school, but then you start mentioning about how good you are at singing and dancing in high school and many other things. You start mentioning about this and it becomes the highlight. These things are irrelevant. You should make a statement of purpose very clear of what you're trying to do. If you want to be an attorney, what experience you have that relevant to this specific goal, that's what you should be mentioning. Tips number 4, I want to recommend you to do mind mapping before writing anything, not just only statement of purpose. This way you can categorize your idea into little boxes, and then you will have an idea of what you'll be writing in the specific paragraph, and that's why when you look at it again, you will notice clearly the weirdness of the sentence. You will notice of what has to be changed in your statement of purpose, and I recommend you to do that. It's very effective. And when you have a lot of time to prepare, you write it and you change it, you fix it again and again. You send it to your teacher, to your professor to check it and see the grammar and look at the spelling accuracy, and you have time to fix everything. And when you finish, it will be very well written and it's worth the effort. Okay guys, that's all for the video. I hope you guys get to the university that you dream of or get the scholarship, Turkey bursary scholarship. I hope you'll be successful in your life, and if you guys find this video useful and informative, be sure to comment and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will make more video of this. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day and see you guys next time. Bye!